Say hello. Whoa, watch out for that. Nope. Oh, we're there. Smile. No? Okay. That was fun for a second.
On tour the base, what I put on for this remix was an encore. They want more. Yeah.
Every day I got some fly shit on. Keeping on black outfit on. I already bagged most of the chicks that you out here trying to get on.
Anyways, now that we already got into the video, we are now going to go ahead and jump into our preferred search browser. Google Chrome is mine. It was stupid. We're going to go ahead and leave that in there. Once you're on here, you're going to go ahead and head to YouTube, SoundCloud, wherever you want to get the song from that's not already on Spotify. So let me think of a song here. All right, got one. And enter. So now that I have my song, go ahead and open that up. This is not on Spotify or anything like that, so that's why I'm picking this song. You're going to copy the link. And then depending on if you use SoundCloud or something, then you'll type in SoundCloud MP3. But we use YouTube, so we're going to use YouTube's MP3. I prefer this one right here, this ytmp3.cc, so we're going to head to that. Now that we have this site open, we're going to go ahead and paste in the URL. You can do videos too if you want a video, but we're not going to be doing that in this. So convert. And then right there, already popped up, you're going to hit download. And now we have a link. So we're going to take this link to our desktop. And then just drag it out. Not link, file. Close out of that because we are done with that. Now you're going to have Spotify open. If you don't already have it, that link will be in the description as well. So go ahead and just open Spotify. Now in Spotify, you're going to have to actually go into your settings, I believe. Preferences, there it was. So go into here, and there will be something that says local files. You need local files enabled. Show local files. Boom. Once you enable that, you're going to go over to your playlists, and you're going to make a new playlist. So I already created one called non-Spotify. That's just the easiest way of finding them. You're going to go ahead and head to the new playlist you created. As soon as you're in this playlist, you're going to go ahead and look for actually you're not going to look for anything. I'm first going to look for a new hat. You're going to go to local files, and right here you can see I believe this is going to be your downloads folder. It's set under preferences, like where it can look for stuff. I guess we can probably go over that too. Yeah, there you go. Add a source. So you add sources. So like mine's through my downloads. So back to the local files. Right here, you can already see it. And whatever it shows here is what it's going to show in Spotify as the name of the song. So if you don't want that, you need to go and change it back in the downloads. And we'll go ahead and do that real quick too. So that is going to be right here. I just want it to be called My Time. Close. I think we actually might need to restart Spotify if that's a thing. Now we have Spotify back open. Go back to local files, and you'll see it's no longer here. And I don't know why it sometimes does that. It gets a little buggy and it's annoying as shit. And there it is now all of a sudden. So we just dragged it out and dragged it back in. Sometimes it'll be there. I don't know why it sometimes does that. Sometimes it's not. I don't know. And now you are going to take this song. Make sure it's playing. It is currently playing. We are going to take it and drag it in to non-Spotify, the playlist. Now that we have it in here, we are going to run our phone that we are trying to get the song on. Open Spotify. Go to where the song is playing at the bottom, because it's the song that's currently playing. And hit play from there. And then from here, you're going to download this playlist. Download it. And then on the phone, you're going to hit the heart, the follow, the like button, whatever you want to call it. Go to my library, my liked songs, and right here. It's right at the top of my liked songs. So, if this video helped you, go ahead and leave a like. Let me know what I can improve on. Sorry I didn't record my phone. I'm pretty sure it was pretty straightforward there, though. There was not that many phone steps. But now, you can listen to any song on Spotify you want, even if it's not on there. So, just keep following those steps over and over. You're gonna have to do it for each individual song. But, yeah, enjoy your new playlist. And, see you later. Or don't. Whatever you want to do. Peace. Oh, yeah. And before I forget, go check out my Twitch, which I have in the description below. And also go check out my buddy Brian's Twitch, who is currently turning it into, like, a lifestyle. He's getting big into this shit. So go support him. Now I'm out.
Baby, I'm waiting. All I wanna do is drive home to you, baby, 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 baby.
Yeah. From the BART train to a tour bus, still the same game except I'm pulling more sluts, more butts, more bucks, never giving more fucks. Did it my way, I'm never taking shortcuts. Raised in a town like fool, who put you up on, huh? E40 Mac Dre's who I grew up on. I've been selling game, got you if you need a cue up on.